Hello babies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually coming to you guys to do a try on haul for Fashion Nova. I actually bought these pieces with my own money during the Black Friday sale, which was like 30% off. I hope you guys like these outfits. This is my first time actually trying these pieces on. The piece that I'm wearing today is the first time I actually wore this all day. So yeah, please enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. So let's get into the video. Okay, so this first piece that I am actually going to be showing you guys is actually a one piece from Fashion Nova. It's like a jumpsuit. It's very stretchy. You could probably go down a size if you really wanted to. I got this in actually a 1X, and this was $32.99. This piece is so comfy. You can run errands in it and just feel really, really good. It's actually called the Under Construction Lounge Jumpsuit. This is the tag. And yeah, you guys will definitely like this. I love the colors. I rarely ever wear blue, but this is actually bringing out the blonde in my hair, which you guys will see a video coming soon on. And yeah, I actually love this outfit. It's very pretty, and like, you know, black makes you look slimmer anyway, so that's perfect as well. So you guys would definitely love this outfit. So let's get into the second piece. Hey guys, so this is the second piece, and this is actually a two-piece set. I don't know what it is, but lime green is definitely in right now, and I am definitely feeling it. This set is called the Zip Drive Sport Set, and it was $58.99, but remember I had a 30% off coupon, so that took that down. But this is also stretchy and definitely form-fitting, you guys. Like, look at this. I love this a lot. It actually zip ins on the side, so if you wanted to wear it out, like if you wanted to be like really comfy, you could wear it like this and give it a little vibe, you know. And then the pants also zip ins. I can show you guys that. Let me just pull my camera down and show you guys that. It zip ins all the way. I don't want to go all the way up, but it zip ins all the way as well, which is really, really nice. If you want to, you know, wear this out like this and just, you know, be a whole vibe. But yeah, I'm going to zip in the back though. And it's like really stretchy, so that was so easy to zip him back up. Yeah, this piece was $58, but it's well worth it. I love it. I love the stretchiness. I love the color. I love, you know, that it's black. It also hides certain stuff. And yeah, like, this is definitely a winner right here. Like, I love this piece. It's so stretchy and comfortable. Anyway, let's get into the next piece. Okay, so this next piece is like a two-piece set again, and this is like one of those pieces that you just be like, oh, come through, you know. Look, they're long trousers. This is definitely one of those statement pieces. Also very stretchy. You guys, I got this in an extra large, and I'm telling you, I have so much room in this. Like, I love how the pants is like pleated, so if you like eat a lot or you're on your period, it hides all of that, which is awesome. And the colors is bright, vibrant. Like, I love everything about it. It definitely goes well with this hair. Purple is my favorite color. This is just amazing. This set is definitely a winner. And I got this in an extra large. It's called Season Soundtrack Set. And it was $49.99 with the 30% off. So it's definitely cheap. So yeah, this is a set. I hope you guys like this set because this is like probably one of my favorites. And it's definitely comfortable. Yeah, I don't dance, I'm sorry. Yeah, but this is definitely a vibe. That's a vibe. Anyway, let's move on to the another statement piece. Like, these two came together and I absolutely love this piece. Like, this is bomb. This is called, what is this? Oh god, it's actually called the Sly Girl Snakeskin Set, and this was $39.99. and y'all, this is so freaking stretchy, and oh my god, this is just like a whole vibe. I'm sorry, I have like my bra strap is not even on, but this is like a whole vibe. Like, seriously. Let me put this shirt because it looks weird. I love this so much. Like, look at these colors. Like, look at this pattern. This pattern is amazing. Look at it. It's like a one sleeve snakeskin, and then this is like completely out. The skirt is so long. It comes all the way down, and it's just like amazing. It's like one of those like sexy like vibes. It's just so pretty. I love this a lot. Yeah, this is amazing. Like, amazing. I love this set. So yeah, let's get into the next outfit. Definitely buy this set, you guys. So this next set is a lime green set. I told you I've been obsessed with the lime green look. I love the top. You can actually wear the top like separately by itself with like jeans or whatever, but it comes with this skirt which is like mid-calf. I like the skirt as well, but the sweater is just what, you know, gives me that vibe. Yeah, this is really, really pretty. This is called the Santee. I'm not sure what that is. Hopefully it focus. Focus. I don't think it's gonna focus, you guys. It's not gonna focus, but it's a sweater set. I got this in an XL, and this was $47.99. And I feel like this is just like a banger. You can actually throw on some snakeskin booties with this, and it'll be a whole look, okay? And it's just so cute, like, oh, and it's so comfy. Like, I love this so much. I wanted it in an XL, but they didn't have, I mean a 1X, but they didn't have it because I felt like I wanted the skirt to be a little bit bigger, but I guess it's fine. It fits really, really good and really, really stretchy. The color is amazing, and it feels like good quality material, sweater material. You could probably wear this as like a brunch outfit, or I wouldn't say club because it's like a little hot, but something simple, you know, just to throw on something really quick and maybe go to brunch or a lunch date. Yeah, a lunch date or something like that. But this is definitely a good outfit. So let's get into the next piece. So this shirt is definitely not a part of the outfit, but these pants are. These pants are called, but these pants is called Sierra cargo pants, and I got these in a 2X, and they're $59.99. Mind you, you guys, I previously ordered these pants a while ago, and I had got them in a 1X. They were, I could fit them, but they were so tight in the thigh area. I had no room to like move how I am now. They're still like not really that tight, but this material does not stretch, so I would definitely advise you to go up a size with these pants, just because they are extremely tight, no stretch at all, but they are definitely a vibe. Like, I love these pants. I love like the wide leg, big zipper. You can actually zip in this unzip in the bottom part as well, like the other pants, and you know, have your leg out as well. So that's, you know, different as well. But yeah, definitely go up a size because I could not fit those pants. They were so uncomfortable. They are low rise, so just remember that as well. But these are definitely a look. So let's get into the next piece. Okay, so these other pants I cannot fit. They're just like the other pants. I should have went up to a 2X because they do not stretch out. This next piece is this Lots of Attitude faux leather skirt, and this is the skirt. It's definitely stretchy. I should have got this in a extra large because this is a 1X and it's $22.99. It's I like it, but I want it to be tight around my thighs, like one of those form-fitting skirts, as you guys can see, and it's not. It has that looseness at the back, which I don't like. But I love anything plaid. This is like a comfy material. It's not like sweating type. It's very stretchy. So yeah, you can definitely go down a size. See, look, you guys. Yeah, no, please go down a size in this skirt. This is definitely, yeah, no, not working. But it's so cute, and I might return it just to get another size or something. But yeah, this is a no for me, but I love the idea of the skirt. So let's get into the next. The extra crop top, it was $14.99. I got this in a 1X, and yeah, I love this top. You actually you can wear it with a blue cami, like the same color as this. White, I'll probably wear it with white. And yeah, I love this this cami. I mean, I love this crop top. It's very cute, it's different. It's long sleeve, it's comfortable, cozy. Yeah, it's comfortable and cozy. For some reason, I've been into a lot of things that's orange. I love the way it complements my complexion. And yeah, so this is definitely a winner for me. I love this a lot. You can actually go down. I could have got this in the extra large, but I just wanted it to be comfortable. So that's this piece, and I think I have about 2 more pieces left, and then we'll be done with this haul. So let's get into the next. So this next piece is this Killin It T-shirt. I've seen this all the time on Fashion Nova, and I actually never bought it, so here it is. It's the Killin It Tee. I got it in red. It's an extra large. It was $12.99. You cannot beat that, plus the 30% off. Okay, this t-shirt is very stretchy. It's comfortable. I just paired it with some shorts that I just had in the house, some lace shorts, and this is the look. You can put on some knee boots, whatever you want to wear, but this is actually cute and comfy. I like red. I've been getting into red a lot as well. So yeah, this is this piece. The last piece that I'm going to show you guys is actually going to go over this, so I'll be right back. So the last and final piece is definitely this banger, this rain coat. Look at this, y'all. Look at this raincoat. Like, this is so nice. Like, it comes with a belt that you can like tie around, giving the whole like bougie vibe. Like, I'm here, come get it. You want some? It's very cute and flirty. It's a style type of jacket. This is called Not a Stain on Me trench coat. Okay. And this is in a size 1X, and it was $54.99. Yeah, this is really, really cute. I actually love this jacket. Is it right? Yeah, So this is a cute jacket, and yeah, this is all of the pieces that I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm happy you guys tuned in and watched it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Lola gang. And I appreciate you guys, all my subscribers that's sticking with me even though I haven't been making videos. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Always, you know, just be positive and love yourself. Put yourself first. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys.